Selecting one of the best VR headsets is a bit of a challenge. Virtual reality for the PC game consoles and smartphones is still a fairly niche prospect, and growing one. And that's not exactly helped by the need to have a different headset for those devices. There are now standalone VR headsets to consider as well. Further complaining matters. But choice is a fine thing, and it makes selecting the best VR headset for you a case of figuring out what device you want to use the headset for and what type of VR experience you wish to have. But before you dive headlong into some research, we came up with best top 8 VR headsets you can buy in 2020. But before we begin, if you want to see more content, please like, subscribe and ring the notification bell. New videos are coming soon. Now, let's get started. Number 8. Homido VR. The Homido Virtual Reality 3D wireless headset is another very cheap way to get started with VR. It's another smartphone-powered headset and provides an easy way to access VR experience and games. From user reviews, its build quality is not fantastic and it doesn't provide a sublime VR experience. But for its price, it's almost an off-the-cuff purchase that won't sting when you get fed up with it. The best things what we like about this headset is it's very cheap, comes with additional lenses and it's easy to use. Number 7. Google Cardboard. The Google Cardboard is not a standalone headset anymore, but a name given to a group of cheap VR headsets made from cardboard. Much like some of the other cheap VR headsets on this list, the cardboard headsets rely on the smartphone to do the VR heavy lifting. It's one of the best ways to give VR a go without spending money. There are quite a few Google Cardboard headsets to choose from, countlessly of various brands. While we've not tested this, you can really go wrong with taking a punt on one of these cheap headsets. If you like the VR experience, then you can go on and get a more fully fledged VR headset. Number 6. Valve Index. Valve ought to know a thing or two about gaming experience, and the company's experience working with HTC and its work on lighthouse tracking technology have all fed into the index. From the moment you wear the headset, you can appreciate the high-quality construction, built-in ear speakers and comfortable cushions, although it is noticeably heavier than other VR headsets on the market. The controllers are on the highlight. Since they strap into your head, you don't need to keep a grip on them all the time. Plus, they are customizable to your own head size and include pressure-sensitive controls, adding extra immersive potential to games that support it. The display is on LCD panel which offers a range of refresh rates to suit your computer's processing power. Plus, it offers images just as high resolution and sharp as its rivals. There is also a pair of cameras and USB extension slot on the front, which can theoretically allow the Index to be upgrading in the future without needing to replace the whole headset. The headset can suffer from technical problems. It's heavy to wear and for some unfortunate reason there is no included USB-C cable to charge up the components. But don't let this put off your benefit, and the Index will have for you in-game enjoyment. Number 5. HTC Vive. Following in the footsteps of the Oculus Rift, the HTC Vive showed what game company Valve could do when working in a partnership with a tech company. The result was a stellar VR headset that delivered the virtual reality experience that really had you moving around, rather than sitting in one place and looking around. Valve's Lightroom technology allows you to map out the space that you will walk, crawl or tiptoe through depending on the game, while chip zone ensures you don't walk into a wall or trip over the beloved pad. The controls are high point too, at the time offering a more revolutionary feeling of being able to literally reach out and grab something, albeit by pulling a trigger then gripping with your hands. The virtual experience is still pretty awe-inspiring, despite other VR headsets catching up with the HTC Vive. The only thing to bear in mind here is that it requires external tracking sensors, a powerful PC to run and a good degree of setup and space. So for people in a small apartment it might not be the best VR headset for them. Number 4. Oculus Go. The Oculus Go is targeted at people who want a cheaper VR headset without needing to put a smartphone in it either. Equipped with the Snapdragon 821 chipset, the Oculus Go is all-in-one VR headset that comes with 5.5-inch fast-switch LCD display, which is impressively sharp for a lower-end headset. Cutting the wires to PC or gaming laptop might mean the very highest fidelity VR gaming is out of reach for the Oculus Go, but it still delivers plenty of crisp detail, solid color and spatial audio, as well as provide access to an expansive suite of apps and games. Thanks to Facebook's influence, there is keen to focus on social and entertainment features such as ability to create your own virtual apartment in the Oculus Room app. So all things considered, as an affordable self-entertained VR headset, the Oculus Go is pretty impressive. Number 3. PlayStation VR. If you want to play VR games on console, then the PlayStation VR system is your best and pretty much only bet. It combines a neat headset that looks semi-futuristic and is surprisingly comfortable, with a superb range of games that been slowly expanding. You can play games like Star Wars, Rogue One, X-Mission, Valkyria and Batman Arkham VR, as well as Astrobot Rescue Mission, one of the most interesting recent VR games, and many more. If you have PS4 or PS5, then PlayStation VR is one of the most affordable ways to play VR games, especially given that you don't need an expensive gaming PC. Yet with the interactive move controllers and move tracking, you are still getting a rather high-end VR experience. Granted, it won't quite deliver the resolution of the Oculus Rift or HTC Vive, but it can deliver a 120Hz refresh rate in some games. But you don't just have to use it for games, as it can also be used to make watching movies more impressive. You can set it up so that you are a virtual theater, which makes watching Blu-ray movies quite inexpensive. As much if you are a PlayStation fan and want to get into VR games, the PlayStation VR is highly recommended. Number 2. Oculus Rift S. The original Oculus Rift was one of the best VR headsets around for connecting to a PC and enjoying immersive gaming. The Oculus Rift S builds up on that. It has 80Hz refresh rate and it's rather light as well, which makes it ideal for a long sessions of VR gaming wherever you are sitting at your desk or enjoying VR in a larger space. It also has a rather neat feature in the form of speakers that are integrated in a headband, avoids the need to use the original Rift's onboard headphones. The audio results are fairly impressive. Thanks to Oculus Insight's tracking tech, the Oculus Rift S can deliver room-scale VR without the need to place external sensors around the place. And it comes with impressive touch controllers that nearly track movements and help make VR feel a lot more kinetic and impressive. The Oculus Rift S comes with an impressive library of games, all of the Oculus Store, which notable highlights including Beat Saber Super Hot Job Simulator. Overall, the Oculus Rift S is the best VR headset for folks looking for a PC-based system that plays a huge library of great games for a decent price. Number 1. Oculus Quest 2. At $300 with nothing else needed, the Oculus Quest 2 delivers virtual reality games and an impressive VR experience anywhere. It's faster, smaller, cheaper and more comfortable to wear than the original Quest, but you have to log in the Facebook in order to use it. The Quest 2 reminds me of the Nintendo Switch for its versatility and fun, plus it takes more seconds to start up and fits really well over glasses. The standalone VR headset has a self-contained motion tracking and the full motion 6 degrees of freedom VR controller that is the same as the ones on the PC required Oculus Rift, plus a surprisingly great high-resolution display and built-in speakers. Apps are downloaded right to the standalone headset's onboard storage. Its more limited mobile processor still plays games such as Beat Saber, Moss and Superhot VR extremely well, and it can even connect with a PC if you want to using a single USB-C cable. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below which headset you have. See you soon.